Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody out there doing? I want to come back to you guys with the Conversion Pros, guys. This is the marketing system I've been using for 2 years now. It doesn't matter what business you're in. Use the Conversion Pros to help you get leads and signups in your primary business, okay? We have autoresponders already here for you. You don't have to create anything. We have capture pages already pre-built. If you're a newbie, just use the pre-built ones, or you just follow the videos that show you how to create pages if you want to do that. But if not, we have this already for you to go. Now, for the people that's looking for residual income, this is perfect. Conversion Pros is $50 a month, guys, and they pay you $25. They're partnering with you. They actually split the commission in half, okay? It's $50. They're going to pay you $25 for everybody you refer to the Conversion Pros. They pay every Friday. Okay? And so as long as someone keeps their membership, you're going to make that $25 over and over and over as residual income. Okay? And what I love about the Conversion Pros is they don't even ask you for a credit card. So you can try it out for 7 days. You can get access to the entire system, everything that a paid member has access to. For 7 days, check it out for yourself. No credit card is required. Okay? And when you want to go ahead and decide you want to upgrade, you will go into your back office and upgrade and pay the $50. Okay? So they don't even ask you for a credit card. So it's easy just to give the system away for free. So you literally can join for free. Okay? Now, what's so great about it, as you can see, I'm here. I'm going to show you the Conversion Pros gives us a few pages. It's already created. You don't have to do anything, guys. You go right here. It's called your affiliate websites. You click that. These pages are already built. You don't need to do anything but just share your link. Decide which page you want to promote for the Conversion Pros, okay? The autoresponder is already built in. You don't need to do anything with that. Once they enter their name, email, and phone number, the company, the Conversion Pros, follow up with your prospects to get them to convert over to the Conversion Pros on your behalf. So you don't need to do anything, guys. Okay? So I just want to show you a few of the pages that's already created. Just share these with others, okay? And this is a great tool, so it's not like you're trying to convince somebody of something they don't need. Everybody needs a marketing system with an autoresponder, okay? And ours is already built in. You don't have to do anything. Like it says right here, refer to people and yours is free. Okay? So if you come down right here, it says TCP replica. I already have these ready for you. As you can see right here, here's one of mine. All I need to do is give someone that, and they'll go to the conversion, and it does all the selling and telling for me. See, sales funnels are already ready. There's nothing to do. Here we go. Okay? Here's one right here. Okay? So you have that one. Here's another one. Here's your link right here, guys. Just give that away. Like it says here, this is the landing page and the funnel with the link. It's going to give them the free trial. You don't need to do anything but share these links. Here's another one. Okay? Simply share these links. You don't need to create anything. They're already ready for you to go. Share these links. Okay? Promote the Conversion Pros. And when this person actually upgrades, you make $25. Okay? That's how that works. So anybody's looking to make money, residual income, passive income, here you go. Give away the system for free. Okay? So I'm going to show you. I received an email on Friday from them on commissions that I received. So check this out. Hold on one second. Let's get over there. Oh, there's let me come down right here. Okay, look at the leads that are coming in constantly, okay, from the Conversion Pros, the pages that I'm using, guys. Right here, it was the 21st. Oh, let's move that out. Okay. Here on the 21st, there was an email from the Conversion Pros. Congratulations, you just got paid. That's what it says, okay? So let me show you my back office. See, that was the 21st. So let's go over here and do the Conversion Pros pay. Of course they do. Hang on a second. Hang on one second here. Let's get that one up for you. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Okay, I clicked on my earnings, and here you are, $275. Okay, I can click that button right there to hit withdraw, and it will go straight to my PayPal, or you can send it straight to your e-wallet, your bank account. Okay, so $275, and we're getting $25 per sign up. Okay, so I could cash that out at any point. So there you have it. The Conversion Pros works. The Conversion Pros pays. So if you're looking for residual income for a system, one needs anyway. If you're marketing anything online, you need this system. Okay, so there's tons of people out here selling whatever it is, whether it's tea, whether they're doing MLM marketing, whatever it is that they're doing, guys. This system can help everybody. Okay, so it's for network marketers, online marketers, internet marketers. Okay, so refer this system for free. You can join for free. Refer others. They don't need a credit card. They can test it out for themselves. The company is paying every Friday. All right, so the Conversion Pros is the way to go if you're looking for a simple program. Definitely for a newbie. I mean, just simply, the pages are already created. You don't need to do anything new. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. It's already done for you. Okay, so we've done that. So what you're going to do now, I'm going to put that link below. So just go down there and click that link, and you go ahead and subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell. Every time I upload a video, you will get that. Okay, you'll be notified. But go ahead and check the Conversion Pros out. You don't have anything to lose, guys. We're not even asking you for your credit card information. Okay, just join for free. Okay, so the link is going to be below. Check it out. I'll see you guys in the next video. You guys have a blessed day.